Hey YouTube, here we are at the Borgata, room 4254 on the 42nd floor. Let's see what it looks like in here. Okay. So when you walk in, this is the Fiore suite, first of all. Let me start with that. This is the Fiore suite. So when you walk in, you have this little foyer. 2 queen beds, and over here, nightstand. The view is really nice. Check that out. So you have a really nice view over here. Okay, this is the living room. This is the coffee bar. They give you this Mr. Coffee machine, some coffee and creamers and stuff like that. But I do bring my own just because I've seen some videos of people doing some nasty stuff, washing their socks inside the coffee maker. So I just opt to bring my own. This is a really nice bathroom in this room. Let me show you guys. Let me back up. So you have this little dresser there, a little like makeup vanity station there, closet. Little wall safe, spot for your luggage. That was loud. Okay. Then you have this. Shower. The only thing I don't like about this is they have like those community pumps for like the shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is another thing I'm really not a fan of, you know, so I just bring my own. And they have a bar of soap in there. Sitting area, some extra towels. You have a jacuzzi in here. And then the bathroom in there, toilet. And like I said, double sink there. So this is, like I said, the Fiore suite here at the Borgata in Atlantic City, New Jersey. And I hope you guys enjoyed that quick room tour. Catch you soon, folks.